In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Jira tickets, a useful skill for keeping your team organized and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Whether you're preparing for a meeting or need to keep a hard copy of your tasks, having the ability to print tickets can be incredibly valuable. So let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, we need to start by navigating to the Jira website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL to reach the Jira login page. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to sign in using your Google account. Click on Google to proceed. Ensure that you select the correct account, as this will allow you access to your Jira environment with all the features and tickets you need. If you haven't already linked your Google account to Jira, you might need to follow some additional prompts, but don't worry. These are straightforward and ensure your credentials remain secure. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find the Filters option. Clicking on this will allow you to refine the selection of Jira tickets according to your needs. Filters make it significantly easier to manage and view specific tickets, especially when dealing with numerous items. This is particularly helpful if you're working in a busy team setting with various ongoing projects. Once you have access to the filtered view, look for the option labeled Search Work Items. By clicking here, you capture the exact tickets you're interested in reviewing. This feature provides a highly efficient way to pinpoint particular tasks or issues that are relevant to you or your team at that moment. With the tickets in sight, the next step is to look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Export button. Clicking this button will open up different options for you to export your tickets. Among these options, there is one labeled Print List. This is your gateway to having a physical copy in hand. Select Print List and ensure your printer is connected and ready. Before finalizing the printing, double-check the settings, such as the number of copies and the layout to make the document suit your preferences. And there you have it. By following these simple yet effective steps, you can keep track of your Jira tickets with ease. This process not only helps to physically archive your tickets, but also aids in sharing them with colleagues who might not have immediate access to the online platform. Remember, keeping a tangible record can be crucial for maintaining organization and accountability within your team. Hope you found this guide helpful and that it simplifies your workflow in Jira.